Hello friends, today we are going to learn the new poem that is You Start Dying Slowly. It is a very interesting poem as it contains a very good life lessons and in this poem the name of the poet is Pablo Neruda and he write this didactic poem in the very positive sense. In this poem uh, unlike the many didactic poem imparting worn out piece of advice, this poem very much appeals to the modern sensibilities. The poem reminds us once again the age old wisdom that life must flow and renew itself at every moment of its being. According to the poet, we must not be stagnant or repetitive or conventional in the way we lead our lives. This is so interesting poem and you have to go some important vocabularies first. That's why you understand the poem in a very good way. See, dying slowly means what? Losing hope of a happy future. If you are not doing the activities regarding or updating yourself, you are dying slowly because you are not updating yourself in terms of future. Self esteem. What is meant by self esteem? Self esteem means feeling of being happy with your own characters and abilities with self respect. It is called as self esteem. The other word is given as turbulent, that is turbulent. Turbulent means unsteady. Then other word is given as glisten. Glisten means shine and sparkle. Then the another word is given as sensible. What is meant by sensible? Sensible means wise, full of common sense, is called as sensible. So now we will learn some of the important section regarding the poem and some questions are also given here, but we are not moving to the questions first. We will learn first the poem and then we will go to the margin questions also. See, this poem name or title of this poem is You Start Dying Slowly. The lines are given as: if you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sound of life, you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. In this stanza, the poet want to tell in this poem that if we do not travel, read or listen to the sound of life, we start dying slowly. That means this is so even when we do not recognize the good qualities that lives within us, because we are not doing something that is we made for. We human made for some explore, some get, some new knowledge, some new skills, and that's the only way to enhance our knowledge and to secure our future, near future also. When you kill your self esteem, when you do not let other help you, you start dying slowly. The poet reminds us that if we kill our self esteem means what? The feeling of being happy with one's own character and ability is called as self esteem. Yes, in this, and we do not let others to help us, then we start dying slowly. That is, we are not upgrading our knowledge, and because of that we are not doing the way we should do. Then the next line is given as: if you became a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same path, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. In this, that's you are doing such a regular habits like brushing the teeth and eating breakfast, going outside, just having fun with your friends. You are doing such type of habits, it will not improve your mentally issues or the things you are made for the real life situation. Walking every day on the same path, if you are walking on the same path, it is not the given as a written purpose. You have to understand the meaning given in the line. If you're walking on the same path means if you're doing the same thing, just and same thing, that is a comfortable things like going to school and doing some homework only, and just solving the paper given by the teacher, and you are not able to reconnect or connection between the English language and science language, English with mathematics, English with the everyday life, that is the not real way you should learn the language. Okay, if you do not change your routine, and this point is also given like that, the as the students because of this corona are at home from last 8 months near about, and if they are at home for more than such a time, they are doing a routine like waking up so so late in the morning, not doing their good homework also, or giving activity by the teacher, want to do the activity from the student, you are not doing that activity too. It is that the you have to change that type of routine also. You have to make such a routine which will improve your future, not which will just disaster of your future. If you do not wear different colors, it is also a various times that if you have to explore your new knowledge, you want to do something new in your life also, or we do not speak to those you don't know. If you have a continuous pressure or a continuous stress to talking with the stranger, that what will be going to happen with me, anything like that, you don't have to just rigid to that point, because when you speak to the stranger person also, you get more knowledge or more different type of visions in your life. That is why we have to courage to speak a stranger person also. See, next line is given as, if you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. Why this is a true? Because the poet warns up that if we avoid strong feelings, that is passion is called a strong feeling, and unsteady, that is turbulent, unsteady emotions, that is turbulent emotions, which brings a sparkle, that is glisten means sparkle to our eyes and make your heart beat fast. That various activities when we do, like exercise or doing new activity, we got the same sense of learning a new thing, that is enjoying of our learning process. If you are not enjoying your learning process, that is really not which you have to made for it, you start dying slowly. That is the main reason you are start dying slowly, the poet given us. If you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not take risk what is the safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from the sensible advice. See, according to the poet, we start dying slowly if we do not change our life when we are not satisfied. If you are not satisfied with your job, why are you doing that job? If you are not satisfied with while doing any course, why you are doing that course? It is not required, because if you want to do something great in your life, you have to enjoy that process. If you are not enjoy that process, then you will not go anywhere or with your love anything in your life. If you do not take a risk or what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after the dream, so you know the real person, that is Einstein, how he became that Einstein, because he enjoy his learning process, he tried to explore new things and always try to learn every second of his life. That why we also had remembering him after this so much time of his death. If you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from the sensible advices, that is you are taking only advices and just following that this you do not do, this is not well, this is in this way, you will not explore the things by yourself. If you explore some things by yourself, you get the actual way, actual vision, that is this is a wrong and this is a right process for the growth purpose. In this way, the sensible and the most motivational poem, I think, the You Start Dying Slowly, written by the poet, and you understand the explanation, please write me in the comment box what the two things you will think that you should change in your future time, and you will do that. Okay, please write the 2 points which you want to change in your life to make something different from the steadily the certain pattern or the certain the routine pattern also. Okay, in the next video we will learn English workshop of the session, that is You Start Dying Slowly. Okay, and we will meet the next video.